Hello, Mr. Purushottam Rao.
Yes.
Could you start with your childhood, where you grew up, so people get a background of which area of India and what your father and mother, so they get a good idea of your upbringing and childhood and your experience as that.
I am Purushottam Rao. I was born in South India in 1965 on 5th June. And basically we are very poor family background. And basically my father is a private employee and I have one brother and 3 sisters. Total 5 members in my family, and my grandmother and mother, all are joint family. In my childhood, I am very busy with plays and some social activities and like that. In my village, total population near about 15 to 16,000 at that time, in the 1965 to 70. Out of that total 17,000, everyone knows me because I am very funny person and I do very some little works for and
Naughty things.
nice things.
Okay.
So every people knows about me, and I am actual in my studies also. My childhood while in government primary school up to 5th class. After that, by 6th to 10th class in government school, government secondary high school. At that time, I think I am become as a doctor. At that time, I will think like that, becoming as a doctor. But my financial background and my father's private job is not not supporting to me as a doctor. So after that, my father joined to me in a college. My father joined to in a college +1 in a MPC group. At that time also I will prefer for BPC group. Because suppose in these 2 years any changes or any scope to become a doctor, I will prefer for BPC. But my father is not unable to do that and he joined to MPC. So at that time I am not interested that subject and decided there is no chance for me to become as a doctor. So I discontinued my studies in +1 and I joined one private job in my age of 18 years. At that time my both sisters, elder sisters and one younger sister, they are all completing their graduation, and my brother also has become civil engineer. At that time LC he do, but nobody was not getting any job at that time. So I preferred, there is no meaning. Suppose I am also doing +2 and graduation, becoming 5 years is very critical for me also and my family people also. At that time I will shifted to Hyderabad city. Hyderabad city is around 300 kilometers from my born place, and I will join in a private sector in textile company as a 600. I get 600 rupees per month salary. So after that I will job there for 6 months, and that 600 rupees for 12 hours job, not for 8 hours. I do work for 12 hours, and sometimes I will more time also, 14 hours to 15 hours. So I am not satisfied with that job and I leave that job. So okay, my aim is become a doctor. That is not reach for that point. So I think I love agriculture, and at that time my father having only 1 hectare of land, and that 1 hectare land also sold for my sister's marriages. So at that time no land for me also. But I love agriculture, and I think I am converted to in agriculture sector. The same time in 1983, I joined one private company as a field assistant. So from 1983, I started my job in agriculture division as a FA. At that time, I will get 800 rupees per month and 20 rupees DA. So I do very hard work in that position. From 83 to 90, 7 years, I worked in various companies as a field assistant and a sales representative and as a marketing promotion. In 1989, I married, and my wife also my childhood friend, my junior in my secondary education time, and also my tenant also. So I married her in 1989. After that, I will 1990, I will turn to as a seed production program. At that time, I will lease 5 hectares land for seed production, and I will start my own seed production for 2 years, and I will get good results and good benefits also.
What were the seeds that you were producing?
Cotton seed and that bajra, that called millet seed production. Major cotton seed production is I will do at that time, and I will supply to the private companies, and I will.
So you were growing cotton, not for cotton, but for the seed, so you can package the seed and sell it.
No, growing the cotton for seed production.
Yeah.
Not for my commercial.
Yeah.
Only that cotton for seed production.
Okay.
So cotton, we will leave cotton to the farmer only.
And
I will get only seed, and that seed supplied to the private companies. And I will get commission 10 rupees to 15 rupees per packet. And we will get minimum 1500 to 2000 packet in 1 hectare. So I will get good benefits also at that time. And I related with poor farmers and good farmers, and I learn more from the ground, root level. So from 1990 to 1993, I do that much of job. And after 93, I will started one outlet, agriculture related seeds and pesticide shop on 93.
In Hyderabad?
In Hyderabad only. That is in one market, vegetable market. And I run that shop up to 1998, 5 years. In that business, I have lot of losses in that business due to climatical condition and farmers' problems and everything. So I think this is not good for me. So again I will started my production in 1998. The same time I will get one friend in my neighbor, Hyderabad neighbor village. He have lot of near about 30 to 40 hectares he is having. So I will plant with him. We both we developed one orchard that becomes mango and chiku, sapota, it's called sapota, chiku, in 5 hectares. So I will do business, I will do that agriculture orchard for 2 years up to 2000 with chemical and pesticide, everything in chemical, in total farming in chemical.
That's between 98 and year 2000, 2 years.
That is directly involved in my agriculture experiences. From 83 to 89, That is only promotional activities and related at that time also with farmers only.
But marketing for other